Good morning or good afternoon, noontime, somewhere else. And my name is Ted Yan, and I'm with Aplex Technology. Okay, so I'm honored to be the presenter today and invited by ASI. Our NuTAM series. Our NuTAM series is the stainless steel solution. The stainless steel solution was, okay, when do you want to use a stainless steel? Okay. The reason why you want to use the stainless steel, because the stainless steel does not get rust. Okay. They are able to work with the water, with a high humidity, and even there are water involved. That's when you want to use the stainless steel. And that is why a lot of outdoor application will be using stainless steel. Okay. That's basically the idea. Okay. And our stainless steel, which is at the 1909E. Okay. Basically, we cover anywhere from 15 to 21.5 inches. Okay. It is stainless, and the material, the standard, it is using the 304 stainless steel, and the 316 is an optional. Okay. And the working temperature -20 to 60. Okay. And as you can see the panel, these are all the modern panel, which is what they call an open frame, edge-to-edge, iPad-like okay, panel PC. And some customers, they worry about, oh, if if there's no frame, and would that be too fragile from the side, and would that be strong enough? Oh, you better believe it. And the stainless steel that we're using, it is 3mm stainless steel. And how thick it is? It is definitely much thicker than your server cases. Server chassis, they are definitely, ours are definitely much stronger than that. So don't worry about the structure. That because of mechanical structure, that's the first thing we check. Okay. And we also have the touch button on-off control. And this button, they could be removed or stay as a standard. Okay. RFID module could be included, not to mention Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and 5G could be included. At the back of it, the connector, as you can see, they are all using M12 connectors. Why M12? Because M12 is IP rated IP67. Okay, that means you can merge into the water for 1 meter for 30 minutes. Okay, and at the back of this system, the connectors will have a DC, two USB, LAN, and the COM port, and the two spare ones, which is allows you to put additional USB or additional LAN or additional COM port. Or you just say, hey, I want all USB. Okay, sure. We can remove one of the LAN port, we can put more USB in there. Or if you want to say, oh, I would prefer to have some others. Yes, we can always configure that freely for you. And again, the system is total IP66 and IP69K certified. That means you can actually spray the water with high pressure with 80 Celsius hot water. And people will ask, who's going to use the 80 hot water and spray on the system? You better believe it when people are working in the kitchen, which is especially some of the central kitchens, and when they wash their equipment, they all use hot water to wash. And we do have a customer who's in a car wash business, and they are using our panel PC, the stainless steel ones. And they don't clean the panel with hot water, but their customer will do that for them. Because of why? At the self-serve car wash, when you give a high pressure water gun to any boy, they want to shoot on everything they can see. So that's when IP69K is needed at that time. And of course, the front bezel, the front glasses, it is using 7H hard blue. And if some people need the front glasses to be even more stronger, we can do 9H if that's necessary. Okay. Moving forward, the detailed spec. Feel free to go to our website, www.aplex.com, to check the detail. We do have a lot of detailed information on them. Okay. And this is part of the stainless steel, and we have everything that I just mentioned. Okay, and we do have a lot of module that could be added on. We can add canvas, additional USB, RFID, okay, Wi-Fi, and even the LTE 5G modules. And of course, all the IP67 rated cable and the waterproof power supply are also available. Applications: food and beverage, clean room, EV charger, car wash, pharmaceutical. Those are just some examples, which is that we have experience with, and of course there are more than that. Okay? But these are the examples.